Yeah, I think for context, no pun intended, what we're seeing is, of course, there's a lot of knowledge and information that we need to pass through the system so that ultimately the agent, in our case, Dino AI, will do things that we want the agent to do and will follow certain standard and certain rules. And it's always a combination of context and information that the agent will gather on its own. But AI is magic, but at the same time, we as analysts, we are the one that have the more context about our business, about what we build and how we build it. The agent will not know about that. So there's always an intersection between what the agent can fetch from the system we connect to, compared with what we provide as user on the platform, to make sure that the agent will go ahead and build what we have to do. So in Paradime, we structure this in various different layers. The very first things that it's important to handle and configure is what we call dinorules within Paradime. So dinorules is effectively a configuration file where we can provide all additional context and configurations, business domain knowledge, anything we want the agent to know and to be aware of while it will be generating code for us. So this is something we build at Paradime to make sure that not only the agent has a system prompt which is specialized around DBT development, but also it gives the ability to user to inject additional information that the agent might not know to make sure that we have a certain behavior and the agent will follow certain rules. The second one that we build to provide even more scalability on this process is dinoprompts. Dinoprompts are a set of reusable prompts, and you can think about these as additional context that a developer will provide, which is repeated in nature, right? For example, when we want the agent to generate sources.yml or update sources.yml, there's a set of things that we want to provide as information to the agent in terms of how we want the agent to accomplish this task. And that's something we built at Paradime. We're super excited. We're seeing a lot of traction within our user so that we can help developers to provide additional information in the prompt itself without having to write all the time the similar information that are needed for the agent to accomplish some of the tasks. So